Hey, real quick. What if your security cameras could do more than just record stuff? Like actually see what's happening and send alerts in real time. That's exactly what AI-powered video analysis is doing right now.
This isn't just about watching videos faster. AI is turning video footage into instant, actionable info while it's happening in real time.
Let's say someone walks into a restricted area, or a machine is left running too long. AI flags it right away. No need to dig through hours of footage later. In retail, AI tracks foot traffic, detects empty shelves, and even spots unusual behavior. It's like having an assistant watching every angle without blinking. Healthcare teams use it to detect falls. Cities track traffic congestion. On factory floors, it catches safety violations before someone gets hurt.
How does AI video analysis actually work? Here's the quick walkthrough of process. Cameras stream video and AI watches it in real time. It identifies people, objects, and behavior. And then, it alerts, logs, or visualizes the data so you can act fast. Old-school video systems are passive. AI-powered ones are proactive. They don't just show you what happened, they help you stop stuff before it becomes a problem.
Want the full breakdown? Check out the blog, links below. And hey, if your business still treats cameras like dumb recorders, it might be time for an upgrade. Like this video if you're into smart tech. Drop a comment if you've seen AI in action. Subscribe for more clear, no-fluff AI explainers from VisionX. See you next time.